as standard within the project management organization. Or we can say that PMBOK is considered valuable for organization as it helps them standardize practices across various departments, tailor processes to suit specific need and prevent project failures. PMBOK is having multiple edition. So the first edition of the PMBOK has been presented by PMI in 1996. After that, in 2000, the second edition of the PMBOK has been introduced. The third edition has been published in 2004. The fourth edition has been presented in 2009. The fifth edition has been presented in 2013. The sixth edition has been presented in 2017. So most of the project and program manager utilizing the guidelines of PMBOK 6th edition. So there is expected that the 7th edition of the PMBOK will be coming soon at the end of the 2021. So basically PMI presented 6th edition so far. So PMBOK contains 5 process groups and 10 knowledge areas. So the process groups of the project management are initiating, planning, executing, monitoring and controlling, and finally closing. So these process groups are needed for the management of the projects, program and portfolio at an enterprise level. Initiating, the first process group of PMBOK. These are processes that initiate the beginning of a new project, such as identifying a need, addressing a concern, or receiving authorization. Planning, the second process group. These are processes that establish the initial proposal of the project, such as limiting the scope, communicating the objective, and defining the plan to be followed. Executing, these are the processes completed to further the project along with performing the work defined in the planning of the project and meeting specification. The fourth process group of PMBOK knowledge area is project quality management, which include the processes for incorporating the organization quality policy regarding planning, managing and controlling project and product quality requirements in order to meet stakeholder expectation. The sixth knowledge area of the project management is project resource management, which includes the processes to identify, acquire and manage the resources needed for the successful completion of the project, program and portfolio as well. So the next knowledge area is project communication management, which includes the processes required to ensure timely and appropriate planning, collection, creation, distribution, storage, retrieval, management, control, monitoring and ultimate disposal of project information. Project risk management. The eighth knowledge area of the project management includes the processes of conducting risk management, planning, identification, analysis, response planning, response implementation and monitoring risk of a project. The ninth knowledge area of the project management is project procurement management, which includes the processes necessary to pursue or acquire product, services or results needed for outside the project team. The final knowledge area of the project management is project stakeholder management, which includes the processes required to identify the people, group or organization that could impact or be impacted by the project, to analyze stakeholder expectation and their impact on the project, and